What's up guys, this is DF Test Channel. Today Redmi K20 Pro unboxing. Box looking nice, resin new color. Black and pupil color, good look. Not bad. Box bottom side, some specs and barcodes here. Don't waste your time, let's open the box. Inside mini box here. What the inside mini box? Mini box inside, free case and paperworks here. More main box inside, phone. And more USB cable and AC adapter here. Its support 27 watts. Let's look phone. A20 Pro has a 6.39-inch display with a full HD plus resolution. This is an AMOLED display as well. The display has no notch at the front. The display aspect ratio is 19.5:9 with a 600 nits of maximum brightness. This display also comes support for HDR content. Phone bottom side, USB port and SIM card tray and speaker here. Top side, pop-up camera and headphone jack here. Phone backside, triple camera setup here. 48MP, 13MP and 8MP lenses, which features portrait mode, autofocus and a couple of other features. The front-facing camera has a 20MP sensor, which clicks mesmerizing selfie pictures. The Xiaomi Redmi K20 has been equipped with an octa-core, 2.84 GHz single-core, 2.42 GHz tri-core, 1.8 GHz quad-core, Cryo 485 processor, which is seated upon the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chip. It has an Adreno 640 GPU that looks after the graphics requirement of the device, while the 6GB RAM fulfills the gaming of the smartphone. Acting as a power provider, a Li-ion battery with 4,000 mAh capacity is provided. It can be refilled in a very short time with the help of the fast charging technology. The Xiaomi Redmi K20 comes with a promising spec sheet bearing a strong configuration, impressive cameras and display quality. To run the smartphone throughout the day, there is sufficient battery capacity with fast charging technology. With the provided price tag, it shows no major drawback except for the internal storage, which could have been more. What's up guys?
吃鸡吧。这个6.39英寸全面屏的感觉真好，采用了升降摄像头，整个视野的就变大了，视觉冲击力也更加的强。大家听听这个音质，这个音量，满不满意？而且呢，它也采用了这个硬件级别的一个 DC 调光，在夜间玩它的时候，完全不会因为 PWM 调光而变得非常的累眼。 外面这么激烈啊，让我来终结这个战争。谁呀？谁呀？我打死你！OK， 各位小伙伴，这就是 Redmi K20次日战场最高配置之下的一个实际体验了。你觉得它是否符合你的感觉呢？10分满分，你会为它打多少分？可以在评论区留言。咱们下期见，拜拜。